I'm so bored right now. I'm in my room and I'm sitting in the floor and there's nothing to do. So, if you got any requests for videos, I would love to hear them. I mean, if y'all can't hear me, here it is again. If you got any requests for videos, just tell me. Just comment either on my channel or not on my channel, but on my thing, or on the video. So yeah, and thank you for commenting on some of my videos. And I'd like to thank Joey Cox because she's one of my best friends and she has commented on like a bunch of them. And so yeah.